everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell right next to it so you get all the alerts on what we're doing, okay? Today, as I showed you at the beginning, we're making smoked turkey legs out on the Weber Kettle. It's gonna be amazing, phenomenal, lovely. I'm gonna love it. It's kind of, you know, how it's the turkey legs you can get at like Disneyland or the Renaissance Fair, or you know, any good state fair too. So these things would be awesome. Had them in a brine all night long. So we're going to show you how I did the brine. Right. All right. So we're gonna brine our turkey legs. Okay. I got them in separate little containers, separate bags. We're gonna do just a good, probably 3 tablespoons of salt. All right. We're gonna add our Jamaican seasoning. Jamaican jerk seasoning for flavor guide. Grab a good handful of this brown sugar. So I don't know what a good handful is, but it's just, it doesn't have to be precise. I'm just trying to impart a little flavor in there. We got some warm to hot water right here. We're gonna pour it in. All right. We're gonna whisk this all together. You want to use the warm to hot water so it dissolves the sugar, it dissolves the salt, the seasoning, and gets it married through there. We're gonna throw a couple ice cubes in this and cool it down so you're not poaching the chicken legs, or the turkey legs. All right, got our meathead knife like always, and I'm just gonna cut slices for each baggie. Okay. Ooh, that's nice and juicy. Okay, so the lemon slices are cut, half in each. Doesn't have to be precise. In each bag. All right. I'm just gonna smash up these garlic cloves. Whoa, wanna try to get away? All right, 2 in each. Doesn't matter if the paper's on, you just wanna break it and get the oils going in there, okay? Now, with the habaneros, you can never be too careful. So we're gonna get this on. It's like my last doctor visit. Just try and relax. You don't want this stuff in your eyes, on your skin. Stuff's seriously hot, okay? So we're just gonna cut them in half. You keep the seeds and all. 1 habanero for each deal, okay? You just wanna impart that flavor, okay? So what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna get some ice, cool this down, put half in each bag, zip them up, 24 hours, boom, you'll be watching it, all right? Come on back. All right, so you got to see how the brine was made, okay? So now I got the coals working on the Weber Kettle. I'm gonna do it offset. I got some apple wood chips we're gonna put on there. I got a Jamaican jerk seasoning from Flavor God to put on there. I think it's gonna be a good time. All right, stick around. All right, we just got some apple wood chips we're gonna throw in there. I'm getting it all over so it burns the whole time. If I had some chunk wood, I'd use it, but I don't, so this is what we're going with. All right, come on. I also have the vents about halfway open right now. I'm gonna close those up after the first hour and just keep a nice tight smoke in there. I'm trying to get to about 275 inside, and you know, take it from there. The internal temp, we'll get it to about 165, 170, and we'll pull it off. All right, hopefully in about 3 or 4 hours. Come on. All right, guys, we're gonna see how it looks an hour and a half in. Got some nice smoke. Look at that. Some nice color going. Looking good. All right, guys, we're back. We got these bad boys off the Weber Kettle. These things have been going for a good 4 hours. About 275 to 300 in there. You know, cooked breeze. You know, I had my vents open probably a little bit more than I needed to, but they look excellent. Smell excellent. So good. I know turkey's usually just for Thanksgiving, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta break tradition. All right, so I'm gonna get it on one of these. I thought about bringing out the knife and fork, but come on, it's me. One more. All right, that's good, man. That is better than anything I've ever had at Disneyland, at the county fair, at other places that do smoked turkey legs. This is awesome. All right, listen, it took a little bit of time, you know, with the brining overnight, but it's real easy to do. Everything we do is easy. It just happens to take a little bit of time. Not a big deal. All right, it's worth it. Listen, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.